Sam Bankman-Fried, no longer a billionaire, says his net worth has dropped to $100,000 since FTX's demise, and he admits it has been a bad month. Hi guys, welcome to Startup Bits. In this video, we will see how a $30 billion fortune crashed in a couple of days and its CEO lost $16 billion. Bankman-Fried was born on the Stanford University campus in 1992 to a Jewish family. Both of his parents are Stanford Law School professors. He graduated from MIT in 2014 with a bachelor's degree in physics and a minor in mathematics. Bankman-Fried interned at Jane Street Capital, a proprietary trading firm that trades international ETFs, in the summer of 2013. After graduating from MIT, he returned to work there full-time. Bankman-Fried left Jane Street in September 2017 and relocated to Berkeley, where he worked briefly as the Director of Development at the Center for Effective Altruism from October to November 2017. He co-founded Alameda Research, a quantitative trading firm, in November 2017. Tara McAuley, his co-founder, left the company in 2018 due to concerns about risk management and business ethics. Bankman-Fried left the United States after attending a cryptocurrency event and relocated to Hong Kong, where he founded FTX in 2019. FTX was created to enable people to purchase cryptocurrencies with their pounds and dollars. It was praised for its user-friendly interface, and it made money by charging small transaction fees. By July 2021, FTX had over 1 million users and was the third largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, attracting investments from major corporations such as SoftBank and Sequoia Capital. Over 60 investors contributed $900 million to the venture, which was valued at $18 billion. In September of that year, Bankman-Fried relocated his company to the tax haven of the Bahamas. FTX announced a $2 billion venture fund called FTX Ventures on January 14, 2022, raising $400 million in Series C funding at a $32 billion valuation that month. It was reported in February 2022 that FTX was forming a gaming division to assist developers in incorporating cryptocurrency, NFTs, and other blockchain-related assets into video games. Billionaire Bankman-Fried made over $500 million in venture capital investments, including $200 million in Sequoia Capital. Sequoia published a glowing profile of Bankman-Fried, which it later removed after the FTX solvency crisis became public. He has also contributed more than $5 million to Joe Biden's presidential campaign against Donald Trump, making him the politician's second-largest financial backer. FTX has developed its own token, FTT, to provide discounts and incentives to the exchange's customers. The total value of all FTT tokens in circulation was 2.65 billion euros, making it one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies. FTX supported several sports teams and organizations. The Miami Heat's basketball stadium was renamed FTX Arena as a part of the deal, as was a partnership with Major League Baseball to place FTX logo on umpire uniforms, and a deal with the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team to place the FTX logo on the cars and uniforms of both Lewis Hamilton and George Russell. TSM, a professional esports organization, also had a naming rights agreement with FTX, so the organization was renamed TSM FTX. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao announced on Twitter in November 2022 that his company planned to sell its holdings of FTT, FTX's token. Binance received $529 million in FTT as part of the sale of its FTX equity in 2021. According to a leaked document obtained by the crypto publication CoinDesk, Alameda Research had a significant amount of FTT on its balance sheet, raising serious concerns about the trading firm's health. The announcement caused a steep drop in the value of FTT, which has lost 95% of its value since the beginning of the crisis. Meanwhile, investors rushed to FTX to withdraw their cryptocurrency, afraid of its death. It is estimated that approximately $6 billion in withdrawal requests were made in 3 days, causing FTX to enter a financial crisis. Binance stated that it would consider acquiring FTX, but one executive stated that it only took 2 hours of due diligence to conclude that the company was no longer viable. On the same day, FTX declared bankruptcy in the U.S. state of Delaware, citing liabilities of at least $10 billion. Users can no longer withdraw their savings from the exchange, and it may be years before they see any of their funds again. Binance stated that it would no longer acquire FTX due to reports of FTX mishandling customer funds and pending FTX investigations. When news of FTX's demise first broke in early November, cryptocurrency prices fluctuated and fell. During the crisis, Bankman-Fried lost $16 billion and was no longer a billionaire. Bankman-Fried revealed that Alameda owed FTX about $10 billion, which was secured by customer funds held by FTX at a time when FTX had $16 billion in customer assets. On November 11th, Bankman-Fried resigned as CEO of FTX and was replaced by John J. Ray III, who has experience assisting creditors in recouping losses at other companies. On December 4th, 2022, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried tweeted that he would testify before the House Financial Services Committee after learning and reviewing the events that led to his cryptocurrency exchange's spectacular collapse. The House Financial Services Committee in the United States plans to hold a meeting in December to investigate the collapse of FTX and expects to hear from the companies and individuals involved, including founder and CEO Bankman-Fried. So, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave your comment and share this video. Till then, take care.